What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. I want to talk about some technicals here. Yesterday, I went over the whole math for Baby Doge and how Baby Doge will get all the way up to like 6Z1 and how you can make $1 million off of it. But now we're going to go over the technicals from the short term to the long term. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. Also, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely check out the MEXC Global link in the description. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Let's go straight over to Baby Doge. So the first thing that we want to talk about here with Baby Doge is the pullback that I've been talking about actually happened. So this was, it's not too big of a pullback, but still from 2.5 to 2.3 is still pretty significant because we did predict this. If you watch my previous videos, I was mentioning how we're going to go back to about 2.3 to 2.2. Now, eventually we're going to end up hitting 2.2. And I drew this line right here because we had a little bit of a support right here for Baby Doge around 23.50. So what we're probably going to see now is Baby Doge slowly but surely trying to get back up to 23.50. You can see right here, we're actually at 23.18. So we may see Baby Doge getting up here to 23.50 very soon. Now, if we do, then I'm still expecting it to pull back down to the 2.2 area. So if we pull back down to this 2.2 area, then that's when you're going to see Baby Doge break below the support. So we know it's going to happen. Like we've pretty much been following this for a long time, and yeah, it's definitely going to happen. Like I know a lot of people don't want to think about it, but 2.2 support is definitely going to happen, especially because what Bitcoin is doing right now. Bitcoin is on a pullback. The whole crypto market's on a pullback. Even the stock market is pulling back. So we're definitely expecting a drop inside of the whole overall crypto market. So Baby Doge is not exempt from that at all. So I've been predicting this $35,000 Bitcoin. I do believe Bitcoin is going to hit 35K, and I'll actually show you why here in a second. So if we just go here on TradingView and type in Bitcoin, you're going to see exactly what I mean by 35K Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin is at 39.6K. We're coming off of an oversold region here. So this is the 4-hour chart, which pretty much means we're about to go back on an uptrend, but it could be another bull trap. So look, we're going on another uptrend here very soon in Bitcoin. Bulls in control by 60% on the 24-hour market control. We bounced off the support once here, and now we bounced off it a second time. Now, the third time, if we try to break this resistance here and we bounce off it again for a third time, let me take off all these previous drawings that we had previously so we can actually have a clean slate here. So look, we already bounced off it like once back here, and then boom, bounced off the support. Then we did it again, and boom, and then we did it a third time. But right here, I really want to count this as a bouncing off support because we really met the support once, and then that's when this real support was actually created. But you could just say 3 times. But still, the third time's a charm. Now, if we bounce back technically a fourth time, then that's when you're going to see a pullback down to about 35K inside of Bitcoin. And I already have the level set up down here for 35K. So yeah, that's where we have more demand for Bitcoin. That's where the next high demand area is for Bitcoin. And that is pretty much where our support is being met at. So we have support at 35K after we break 39K. That's if we break 39K. And I definitely think we're going to break 39K. So 35K will pretty much be that bottom. Now, I want to show this right here. So we bounced off of the resistance up here with Bitcoin around 42K, but we got rejected. So if we get rejected again, look, we're about to go back on an uptrend here because you can see the oscillators here says it's oversold. And usually every single time we come off an oversold area like this, we have buying right after, immediately after. Same thing right here. Came off of an oversold area, we had buying. And then we had this slanted bullish line here as a bullish signal, which came into overbuying. So probably what we're about to see next with Baby Doge, we're about to see this not pullback. We're about to see this rise pretty much going back up to about 42K. And if we get rejected again at 42K, then you're about to see Bitcoin drop down to 39K. And then it's probably going to hold it maybe for like a little bit, maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, maybe a day, something like that. And if it can't hold it and if it can't continue to rise from there, you're going to see Bitcoin eventually come down here to about 35K. So this area is where we want to watch for next after we have these movements in Bitcoin. I definitely think it's going to happen. Now, looking back at Baby Doge and how this ties into Baby Doge has the same thing right now. We've literally bounced off the support 3 times already, just like over here with Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3. You can see right there, 1, 2, 3. We bounced off the support 3 times. Come over here, bounced off the support 1, 2, 3. Now Baby Doge is bouncing off of it for a fourth time. If Baby Doge cannot break this and just break this cycle and go back up to about 2.8, then you're going to see Baby Doge pull back down to about 2.2, and then eventually seeing like a 2.0 and a 1.8 Baby Doge. So that's probably what we're going to see if we cannot continue to break past these resistance levels. Now, looking at the 15-minute chart, if you want to look at it from a short-term perspective, what we're about to do, like maybe tomorrow, you're going to see Baby Doge, like I said, rise back up to 2350, but we do have resistance at 2350. So if we actually get rejected at 2350, then we will see that 2.2 area. But for tomorrow, if Baby Doge can get past 2350, then you will see Baby Doge go up to the next line of resistance, which is at 2.4. So if we can get past that 2350, we will see Baby Doge at 2.4, really 24.20. Now, the bears are in control by 80% of the 24-hour market control, so it's pretty much 80% bearish and 60% bullish for the short term. And then when you look at Baby Doge for the long term, we are about 60% bearish right now. That's where it pretty much had us. But this will definitely reverse itself when we get this pullback. Once we get that pullback, and then we start getting that momentum building up in Baby Doge, then we're going to reverse to the upside. So that's pretty much all I got for the technicals. Now, we also want to go over a few other things, like we're getting more and more people inside Baby Doge every day. Now we have 1,514,332 people in Baby Doge. That's a lot of holders right there, and we continue to grow every single day. Now, you can see over here 10.04 trillion coins burned today and only a 4.1 million trade volume. So that's a huge difference. And I think the NFTs may have something to do with that. And also, looking at some of the whales, the whales are starting to buy more Baby Doge. We're starting to have lots of purchases come in, and the purchases are actually outweighing the sales. So that's definitely a good thing right there. And in total, there's another $37,000 added to whale wallets once you subtract from the sales and then add the buys. You can see that we have $37,000 of new money inside the whale wallet. So also, on top of all of that, we still have money flowing into the liquidity. So 35.5 trillion coins flowed into the liquidity. Remember, a portion of every single transaction, about 5% is going back to the liquidity. So over here, you can see 84K just now flowed into our liquidity today. And over here, you can also see 23K flowed into the burn wallet of 10.04 trillion. And then the contract got another 18.44 trillion. So we're still getting money inside Baby Doge. And typically, our whales are buying more, but you are seeing retail traders, pretty much the small traders, the small wallets, they're selling. So in total on MEXC Global, definitely check out my MEXC Global link in the description. But the small traders and the small wallets in MEXC Global, about 10.57 trillion Baby Doge left their wallets. So a lot of people are starting to get scared. A lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt is inside the crypto market. A lot of FUD being spread inside the Baby Doge army. And some people are selling out. They're like, man, it hasn't been moving forever. And whenever you hear people talk about that, if you look in my comment section and see stuff like that, just know these people haven't been in crypto for long. Because if you've been in crypto for longer than a year, and it has to be longer than a year, it has to be more like 2-3 years. You know the cycle. Like, I've been in crypto for about 5 years, and it's the same cycle. Pumps, it dumps, pumps, it dumps, it pumps, it dumps, it pumps, it dumps. And it does it throughout the year. So we get a huge pump throughout the year, but then we get multiple dumps. But then the pumps outweigh the dumps. So right now we're inside of a dumping period. We're pretty much in a downtrend. But once we do a reversal to the upside, it's gonna pump, it's gonna peak, and then it's gonna dump again. That's why it's best to sell at the peak and then let it dump and then buy in at the bottom. So that's the best strategy. Now, if you want the hands-off strategy, then you would just buy and hold and then buy more and more throughout the day. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to go over with that, because a lot of people are selling out, and they're really the small wallets that are selling out, not the whales. But anyways, the public sale is now live for the Baby Doge NFTs. If you want to go ahead and check that out, they are now live. So definitely check out the public sales. Also, if you just type inside of Baby Doge Army on Google, the first thing that comes up is their OpenSeas page. So you can just click here and see the OpenSea page, and they have all these NFTs. They're not going to be shown and revealed until all 10,000 NFTs are purchased. So you're not going to be able to see what Baby Doge NFT you want to get. They're all pretty much secret right now. Now, I don't know how long it's going to take for them to sell 10,000 NFTs, so that's definitely going to be pretty hard. But volume traded 211 ETH. That's a lot. And owners, 3K owners, and yeah, there's a lot of activity going on inside of this Baby Doge wallet. So all this money is pretty much going to be going to charity. I think all of it's going to charity. A good amount of it's going to be going to charity. But yeah, this is pretty good. It's pretty solid. Lots of sales here, lots of money being made. And yeah, this is definitely a huge money grab for Baby Doge. So we're getting lots of money through this. And a lot of these NFTs have already been sold. So it's pretty exciting to see this actually. Like, just imagine you just selling all these NFTs. Like, if you do the math though, like, let's just say average of $500. If you just do the math, 500, I don't really have to do the math like that because I can just do it in my head. But $500 times 10,000 NFTs, that's $5 million right there. And they're pretty much going to be donating most of that to charities to help dogs. So this is a pretty good cause here. In most projects, they would just take all that money and then they'd spend it on a Lambo or something. But no, Baby Doge Army is doing something good with the money. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over all this good stuff. Remember, we still got our utilities, and that's how the only way we get to 61, which is 6 zeros and a 1, would be our utilities coming out and Binance and other exchanges listing us. That's the only way we get to 61. But it's definitely possible because we're still literally in the making of this. Even the Baby Doge Army developers, the mods, and just the people in the official Baby Doge, like part of the Baby Doge group, they literally said within the next 3 months, we're going to be having huge stuff coming out. And they said things are going to start panning out pretty much in the next few months. They said that a few weeks ago, and I think it might have been a month by now. But yeah, we're probably about to see some big stuff forming up for Baby Doge. And the NFTs is just the tip of the iceberg. So you definitely want to get ready for it because look, they already did the wallet tracker, they already did the Ethereum bridge, the NFT collection. Now they already did the Baby Doge NFT marketplace. Now we only have 4 of our roadmap things to do: the wallet, the debit cards, the exchange, and the arcade. I think the first one that they're going to probably do, or the next one really, is going to be the arcade. And then after that, they're probably going to do the wallet since that'll be the easier one after the arcade. And then they're probably going to go switch over to the exchange and the debit card at the same time. Maybe they do the wallet, the debit card, and the exchange at the same time. But yeah, this is definitely going to be pretty exciting. Now, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice at all. And definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join. I'll go over any crypto that the members want, and it really helps the channel out a lot just becoming a member. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off for all your trading fees, definitely check out the Mexi Global link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.